Hello and welcome to a quick overview on some of the features that we have within the catalog module. First of all, what you will notice is multiple views of the same catalog information. As you can see, if you want to see all the catalog by record type, and all these views are set up which can also be made available to patrons and public users, and they may get these by default. But what you will notice is within the grid we have a flexibility on changing the data or look and feel of the data on the fly. So here, if I'm interested in looking at all the information by record type and also by the library, I can drag the library column up there at the top banner and we will rejig our grid, and now you can notice we have all the data grouped by record types and subgrouped by the library location. You may also remove any grouping on the fly, so if you change that, it will not affect any of the SharePoint settings, but it will just temporarily change the view, so the users have the flexibility of looking at the information as to how it's suitable for them. But when they get back to the same view and they refresh the page, it will go back to its original settings which were set up by the library. As you can see, we're back to our normal view. The other things you can do is use the search box, which is limited to define any columns. So you may define whether it's accession numbers, authors, subjects, what you want to include in this search. For example, we will search for human, and we know the word human comes under subjects. And there you go, the human capital comes up, which is where human word was found. And if I reset this and go back to our original view, I can also look into certain columns as to where I am. So if I'm looking for a location within the library, I can search for Vancouver, or within here I can search for management and use a filter icon and say wherever it contains this word and hit apply this filter. You can see I've got 2 records back where the word management appears. So there's a lot of flexibility as to how you can reconfigure or search your catalog information within each view. And again, if we go back to our first view, which is catalog 30 days, we've set up background settings where it only shows up latest information as to when the date catalog was within the last 30 days. Thank you. Bye bye.